Do you snore? It's a problem most of us have experienced. Chronic snoring affects your quality of life by depriving you of adequate restful sleep. Not enough sleep can lead to mental and physical health problems like headaches, fatigue, and poor concentration. Snoring may indicate an underlying medical condition like chronic nasal congestion, deviated septum, or something even more serious, sleep apnea. Restricted airflow through the nose can also result in snoring. There are a variety of medications that offer relief, but might make you drowsy or dizzy or affect your blood pressure. Disposable strips are not for everyone and can be costly. But now there's Breathe Aid, inexpensive drug-free relief from snoring due to symptoms related to nasal congestion. Breathe Aid is reusable, safe, and simple with no side effects. Made of soft, FDA-approved material, Breathe Aid gently widens nasal passages, allowing for free, unrestricted airflow and easier breathing. With Breathe Aid, snoring is minimized or completely stopped, so you get the sleep you deserve. You'll breathe easier with Breathe Aid. You'll feel the difference, so order now.